It was the 24th of January when we sold 50% of our Tesla shares. And we were right, because shares dropped from $406 to $328. In this video we will find out if it's again time to buy Tesla or not.
Fundamentally speaking, the company is still undervalued, and everything we said in the past regarding Tesla is still okay. We said, for example, that is a very well positioned company for riding the artificial intelligence wave. We said that probably in the future they will make a lot of money thanks to the robotic part of the company. We said that thanks to the self-driving cars, they will make tons of money. And so in the long run, I really think Tesla is a very nice company. And this is why, if you go to this video, you will see we just sold 50% of our position. But as I told you before, we use fundamental analysis like Warren Buffett do, let's say, but together with fundamental analysis, we merge what we call statistical and technical analysis. And in the case of Tesla, we decided to sell 50% of our investment because we started to see an increasing number of sellers appearing on the chart. And this is the Wyckoff. These chart tell us if the buyers are more than sellers. And in this case, as you can see, we started to see that the number of sellers started to exceed the number of buyers. And if we also use another approach, which is the speed, as you can see, exactly in the same moment, because as you can see, this stop on the indicator is exactly here, and we started to see a really decreasing in the speed of prices, and look where we are now. Okay, this is why here it was the 2024 of January, we decided to sell the company, 50% of our investment. So what we have to understand now, after this drop, as you can see, we were correct. The company, the shares start to drop. And as you can see, we went from $426 per share at the actual 356. Okay, so it's time now to buy Tesla again, or we have to wait. In my opinion, we have to wait, because yes, in the long run, the company is a very good company, is undervalued at the moment. But what changed in the story of the company is the results, guy. Look, what is happening, what happened on the company is this. After years of improving sales and net income, we had the first year with low growth in sales and decrease in net income. 2024, we had 7 billion in net profit, that it's more than a half compared to the 2023 profits. Okay, and if we go to the overview page, where you have a very simple but very nice tool, which is the net income line plotted on the chart, as you can see, things changed very quickly here. because after years of improving in net income, now we had a drop. And as you know, because we used this tool many times, at the moment, the balance point, let's say, is here. Something between 2,000 and 200 and $250 per share. Okay? And so this is the first target we have. And if we move to overbought and oversold and we try to understand if it's time to buy or not, yes, we can see here the chart is green, but we don't have a spike in volume. So buyers are not back on the chart. And as you can see, we do not have a divergence, a big divergence between price and the oscillator, the Wyckoff. So at the moment, the trend is downward. Okay, we are experiencing a bearish trend. And at the moment, the number of buyers are not increasing as we would like to see. And let's switch completely the approach. Let's go to a very statistic and very physics approach, which is the speed. Remember, you always have the explanation of what you are looking on the chart. Look, at the moment, the velocity, the speed of this downward movement is not decreasing, at all. Okay, is not decreasing at all. We cannot see a divergence between the speed indicator and the prices. And this, in my opinion, means that this trend, this short trend, this bearish trend can really go on, and prices can reach, for example, the 200/$250 per share. What do you think about Tesla, guys? Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? I really think that the problem at the moment is the lack of momentum in Tesla results, and also the problem is Elon Musk, because he is working with Trump, probably is doing a great job with Trump, but guys, he's trying to solve American problems, and what he should do, he should try to sell more Tesla. So these two problems combined, lack in results momentum, and the CEO, which is at the White House doing something else, I think it's really something that didn't work for the company. And as James is telling me through the chat, Elon is often distracted. Exactly. This is exactly why we decided to say, okay, we take a break, we sell 50% of our stake, and let's see what's happening. And I really think this can go lower again.